Looking for the fuse box in your Jeep Cherokee, 2002 to 2007? I'll show you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can find the right fuse quickly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2002 to 2007 Jeep Cherokee manages interior circuits for power windows, seats, lighting, and audio systems, using standard blade fuses and multiple relays for organized protection. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2002 to 2007 Jeep Cherokee gasoline manages key systems such as the ignition, fuel pump, cooling fan, and AC. It contains high amperage fuses and relays for essential engine and powertrain functions. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2002 to 2007 Jeep Cherokee diesel supports vital systems like the glow plugs, ECM, fuel heater, and turbo controls. It includes heavy-duty fuses and specialized relays for diesel-specific operations. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.